For centuries, salt has been used in homes for cleaning. It doesn't have toxic properties, and because of this, people have used it for cleaning and disinfection of items in their homes. It is really useful and extremely cheap. Today's video will discuss the reasons spreading salt around the house. Here's why it's so incredible. 1. Keeps ants at bay. Salt is the right solution if you want to keep the ants away from the food storage cabinets or windows. Put some salt on the windowsills or any other surface attacked by the ants. When it is applied like this, the salt will lower the humidity levels in the home. 2. Use salt for polishing brass, silver, and copper. If you have brass, copper, and silver ornaments, you surely will want to keep them clean. The metals fade with time, and because of it, you will need a method to keep them clean. The salt is the simplest, easiest, and non-corrosive solution for this problem. Make a mixture of salt and vinegar and rub the objects until you make them shining. This mixture will dissolve any stains and dirt. 3. Salt for cleaning car and house windows. Combine few tablespoons of salt and a gallon of warm water in order to clean your window and to get rid of the stubborn stains. Rub and clean the windows with this mixture. It will make them shine, and this effect will last. Also, with this mixture, you can clean your car windows. 4. Clean sink drains. Make a mixture of salt and hot water and pour it in the sink. The grease buildup which causes the clogged drain and deodorizes the sink will be melted by the salt. 5. Rejuvenate your skin. Make an amazing bath scrub by combining salt and olive or lavender oil. Apply on the entire body and then wash away the dirt with water. The salt rejuvenates the skin and eliminates the dead skin cells. 6. Make colors brighter. This is an amazing solution if you want your curtains or fiber rugs to have the original glare again. With just one wash, their color can be restored by soaking a cloth in concentrated salt water and rubbing the faded rugs and carpets with it. Any spots and stains will be cleaned that previously were almost impossible to remove with conventional detergents. 7. Tooth remedies. Whenever you have a toothache and mouth sores, dissolve the salt in warm water and swirl the liquid in your mouth. It has amazing effects, and it is an incredible mouthwash. Have you aware of these incredible benefits of salt? Let me know in our comment section below.